How to create new contact profile card on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on contacts app. After click on contacts app, if you want to create new contacts profile card, click on this plus icon and click on OK. You will select account from here. After select account and enter your name. After enter name, click on save. Sorry. Enter name. Click on phone, enter your phone number and enter your add phone number. Add email, add group, view more. So you will select notes, relationships. After the process, click on save. You will see new contact profile card is added. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can create new contact profile card on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.